Hey, good afternoon, folks. Not sure if this is gonna show up, but yeah, they're going fucking crazy up here with the stuff. It comes out of the ass end of a large body jet. Convergence. These cycles have just gone absolutely nuts. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down there, 11. There's another cross in the sky right there. Neighbors are building. And we've got another X there, and some more ugly clouds. Another one there. They have just gone absolutely fucking bananas. They're just putting X's all over the sky. Yeah. Another beautiful day in BC.